The independent grandmother. This is Mrs. Lopez. She is a grandmother. She lives alone in a big house with 3 bedrooms. She has lived there for many years. But today, Mrs. Lopez is not happy. The house feels too quiet and too much work. Her daughter Martha is visiting her.
Hi, Mom. How are you doing today?
Oh, Martha, to be honest, I'm exhausted. Cooking, cleaning, and living alone is not easy anymore.
Then why don't you come and live with us, Mom? We have an extra bedroom. The kids would love to have you with us.
Thank you, my dear. I love you and the children very much. But I like being independent. I think it's time for a change. Maybe a smaller place where I can start a new chapter.
A big decision. Mrs. Lopez makes a big decision. She sells her 3-bedroom house and moves to a small apartment in a seniors building. A new beginning, the seniors building. A few weeks later, Mrs. Lopez moves into a new cozy apartment. Her new place is smaller, quiet, and clean. She unpacks her boxes, puts away her clothes, and looks around her new home. Everything is different now. She likes her independence, but she misses her old house. One day, she sits on a sofa in the lobby. She feels a little lonely. A cheerful woman named Ruth walks by.
Good morning. I'm Ruth.
I live just down the hall. Are you new here?
Hello, Ruth. I'm Carmen Lopez. Yes, I just moved in.
Welcome. You look a bit sad. Are you okay?
Not really. I'm thinking about my old house. I lived there for 40 years. I miss my garden and my neighbors.
I understand. Moving is not easy. Why don't you come with me downstairs? Today is music day. We can sing, dance, and meet new people.
She goes with Ruth to the music room. Seniors are singing and dancing. Mrs. Lopez smiles and stands up. They sing. They dance. They laugh together with the other seniors. Carmen forgot about her big, empty house.
She was busy meeting new people and sharing stories.
You look much happier now, Carmen.
You're right, Ruth. Thank you for being so kind.
A little kindness and friendship can make any new place feel like home.
Mrs. Lopez learned that her independence was important.
But friendship is what truly makes a new place feel like home. Be kind. Be friendly.
You can always make new friends.
Let's review the key vocabulary in the story. Exhausted means extremely tired, no energy left. Cozy means small, warm, and comfortable. A new chapter means a fresh start or a new time in your life. Independent means no needing help from others, free to make your own choices.
Review the vocabulary again. Exhausted, independent, cozy, a new chapter. Remember, alone and lonely are different. Look at these 2 pictures. In picture A, the girl is alone, but she is reading happily. She is not sad. In picture B, the girl is at a big party. There is music and many people, but she feels lonely. Because she doesn't have a true connection with anyone there, so alone is about your body, a fact, but lonely is about your feelings, how you are. So, why did Mrs. Lopez feel better?
Because of the power of friendship.
Now, I have a question for you. Have you ever changed your school or your class? Did you feel lonely at first? Then did you make new friends and feel happy again? That feeling, when a new friend makes a strange place feel like home, is what we call the power of friendship. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Zahraa Academy.